This is the biggest drawback with trigger point therapy. Now, you've seen trigger point books, maybe done trigger point courses, and what are you always taught? You're taught sort of maybe certain muscular conditions like pain at the front of it, and you're given a list of muscles to treat, whether it's a pincer grip, whether it's pressing, and then you treat and hope that it goes. But massage therapists, that is not a treatment, is it? Because you can't just go for like 5 minutes and press here and press there. The muscles are now being all addressed. Your massage clients want a massage, don't they? You can't just do 5 minutes and go, all right, well, see you next week. No, because they will not come back. Even if you fix their pain, they're not coming back because they want a massage experience. And that's what I'm doing for you. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to give this absolutely beautiful massage, which will be incredibly effective as it is, and combined the trigger point therapy within that massage. So your client is getting this positive feedback, this beautiful deep tissue massage, as well as you focusing on the specific trigger points for their specific conditions, which I'm going to go through in this course. So now you can do trigger point therapy and it's a massage session at the same time, which is going to give you spectacular results. But there's more. What is my second problem with trigger point therapy?